That's my temporary greenhouse, which I have used throughout this winter. I had made a wooden frame and had covered it with a big clear plastic bag. Most of these plants, they have spent the whole winter inside this greenhouse. Some seeds have lately been put inside. Those are courgettes. Put them inside this greenhouse in around middle of March. They have grown. Some apple seeds in that tray, they have grown. Some have come up. These are some sunflowers, and most of them, these are the apple late grafted. And in this corner, it is an electric heater to keep them warm. Now I am going to share with you all the late graftings which I did on 29th of September 2015. Now I have brought all these apple trees which were grafted late in September. I brought them out so that we can see all our failures and successes. That is a late bud grafting 0053 that was budded with 3 different varieties. None of them has taken. Top of the tree looks completely dead. The whole stem has died, but at the bottom a shoot has started appearing, so the tree will survive, but none of the graftings has been successful. They all died. Now I am going to cut the dead stem. After that, that is number 2 side graft. That apple tree was grafted with 4 different varieties. All 4 grafts have taken. That's 1. This one is the second graft that has grown. That is the third graft that has grown, and that is the 4th graft that has grown, and that is the actual root stock. What I'll do, I'll cut the root stock because now all the graftings, they have grown, so I might not need any growth on the root stock itself. That is a late side graft 0054. It was grafted with 3 different varieties: Cox Pippin, Braeburn and L-Star. They all have grown, and even one of them has a lot of flowers. Obviously, the rootstock itself has not completed even 2 years of its life, so I will have to remove all those flowers. I wouldn't let any fruit grow on this small tree. It is not able to even bear the weight of one apple. So that has been a good success. All 3 grafts have taken. That's one with flowers, that is the second one, and that is the third one. So they all have grown. Next to it, late veneer graft 0055. This rootstock was grafted with 3 different varieties. That is the first one, that is the second one, and the third one. All 3 varieties, they have grown. So that's a very good sign, good success. That's a late chip budding 0056. It was budded with 3 different varieties, and all 3 have grown. That's one, that is 2. Oh, that's number 3. That's number 2 in the middle, and that's number 3. So that's good, very good success rate. That is a late chip budding 0057. It was budded with 3 different varieties. The one at the bottom doesn't look like any sign of life, nothing growing. The second one, it has grown quite a long, big, tall shoot. The third one, that has grown, and these 2 shoots at the top, they are from rootstock. So 2 chip buds out of 3, they have grown. So if you are doing the bud grafting, it should be completed in August. After that, it might not be successful, and if you can provide a bit of artificial weather, you can do the grafting much later in the year. I am going to remove all these flowers. So that now most of the energy will be diverted towards its growth.